Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to buy Bitcoin on Bitcoin.com application. First of all, go ahead and open the Bitcoin.com app from your mobile device and sign into your wallet. After you are inside the home page, click on the Buy Now button at the top of the screen. From the list of available cryptocurrencies, look for Bitcoin, or you can also type in Bitcoin in the search box at the top and tap on Bitcoin from the list. Now go ahead and enter the amount of crypto you are trying to purchase inside the BTC tab. You will then be able to see the amount you will need to pay for this particular transaction. Now click on the Continue button at the bottom of the screen and follow through the instructions. You may need to verify your email address, so enter the verification code sent to you via your email and continue the step. After you confirm your purchase, you will then be able to deposit Bitcoin on your Bitcoin.com wallet. While using a payment method, you can use a credit card, debit card, bank transfer, or payment app, depending upon your location. So that's how you easily purchase Bitcoin on Bitcoin.com wallet. If the video was helpful to you, make sure you go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.